Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change a country or region on your iPhone iOS 26 without payment method on your app store. For example, if you want to change the country so that you can simply use the app which are not available in your country or region, or if you want to change the country and you want to use that app store in that country, so how you can do that without payment method. So for this there are two methods available, so I will tell you both of you. So if you want to know about that, then you have simply watch this video completely. So first of all, the first method is that you have simply click on the app store here, and here you have simply click on name or Apple ID here, and after that you have simply click on name or an Apple ID, and here you will find a new kind of interface where you can find country or region, and you have to click on that. After that, the names of the country will be shown to you. For example, if you want to change the country or region to the United States, then you have to simply select that country or region. After that, you have to simply click on continue, and after that you have to provide click on country, agree, region, and here is option available payment method, the credit card, debit card, PayPal, and you have select none option. So if you select none option, then no payment method will be available. So here you have to provide your billing address, street, city, state, and you have to provide the zip code, and after that you will be able to change the country or region without payment method from this method. Now if you want to do the same from the another method, then you have to simply go to settings here, and here you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here, and you have to click on media and purchases, and after that you have to select on that view account, and after that you have to select a country or region again, the same settings, and after that you have to agree the terms and condition, and you will be provided with payment method. So you have to simply select payment method as none. So in this way you can simply change your country or region on the app store without payment method. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.